Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
What is Domino's hand-tossed pizza crust? The hand-tossed pizza crust is thinner than the handmade pan, but thicker than the crunchy thin. Hand-tossed crust dough is stretched to your preferred size. Once we bake the pizza, this crust is accented with a garlic, oil season blend.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Pans are more labor-intensive and cost more, but Pizza Hut was okay with averaging out that extra cost until now. Now they charge more because in addition to the labor, the ingredients now make the pan more expensive since you're getting more of certain ingredients on pans than you do on other doughs.
Take our lead.
Pan crust is also called deep dish as it has a thicker and fluffier crust, whereas hand-tossed pizza has a flatter and crispier crust. In fact, I like the new pan crust better than Domino's recently revamped hand-tossed pizza crust. Overall, Domino's handmade pan pizza is a winner in my book.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
In the end, the original crust is my favorite. Its crust is soft on the inside and chewy on the outside. The crust is flavored with garlic, delicious. I like all of them except for that awful rock-esque gluten-free.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.